Hey guys, check out this very unique product. It's called a WallShelfie. It's basically a floating wall shelf and made by Smallish. It is very easy to install and takes under a minute to just put it on the wall. It comes with these Velcro straps already in here, which do not damage your wall. Basically, you just remove these stickers and place this on the wall. And if you need to remove it, these are all Velcro. So they'll just pop off. And then if you need to remove the sticker off the wall, it's not going to damage your wall. It comes with the level already built into it, which I think is very awesome. It will be hidden after you put this pocket on it. You can also attach this to the wall with the included screws. The screws go here, and check that out. It's just concealed with these rubber covers. So after you put it on the wall, you just slide this pocket right over. You snap that in and check that out. Then we have this J-hook right here. This is for your headphones. And we have the cup holder. You can place it anywhere on this strip. It doesn't matter where, it's up to you. Very nice and customizable. And you also get these two bungee cords that you can put through here and just put a power strip over here. And that'll give me access to the power. There are rubber covers if you need to pull cords or anything through here. Overall, a really cool product, very useful. Stanley cup will go in here and this will hold it very well. A very nice and functional floating shelf. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please support my channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and have yourself a great day.